Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to tell you how to fix your SD card reader. Now, I did a video about 4 years ago, has about 138,000 views on how to fix your internal SD card reader. For some people it worked, for some people it didn't. For some people that it wouldn't work, I suggested just pay $15 and get an ordinary external like this one here. Now this computer here, SD card reader works in it. It's a desktop, but I hate bending over to insert the cards in there. And you have all these cards inserted at the same time. So you get that micro SD card. Got there's a caddy for it. Take some compact flash. If you still have old camera and compact flash cards. And SD cards. And so if you do have a computer where you're having problems using your memory card reader doesn't work anymore, don't spend any time on it. It's not worth spending hours and hours and hours diagnosing something that you're probably not going to fix anyways. Just go out and buy a decent reader. I'll put links below to Amazon where I got this from. And this is held in place with some Velcro, so it's it makes life a lot easier. So just want to pass along this tip. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, Patreons, and a special shout out to my best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below.